Healthy Origins sent me their EpiCor for my review, and this is kind of like perfect for traveling. If you're looking to kind of boost that system, definitely going to be something that I'd want to try. But every time I see something that has yeast, I'm kind of like, ooh, this is probably going to smell weird. So we're going to try it for the very first time, see how easy it goes down, especially if it has any aftertaste or weird taste. It does have a smell. I don't think it smells like yeast at all, but the pill is definitely very on the earthy side, as you can see there. But again, big fan of this brand because they have really tiny veggie pills. So this is going to be hopefully very easy to swallow. Let's go and try it. Yeah. Extremely easy to swallow, has zero aftertaste. Sometimes the aftertaste even goes up in your nose. I have nothing like that. So this is gonna be extremely easy to add to your daily routine, and it's only 1 pill per serving daily. Fantastic.